This.
So that's the space. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, that it causes the to space one character over as things go along. No, the 15s look a lot different than the 28s. As far as it doesn't have the same kind of clutches. The armature's on the different side. You got a picture of the even
Well, I've been wanting to. Like I said, I put it on my calendar for sure this time, and so and like I said, I got another buddy now that I told him about it last time he wants to come. So
rolling that way.
yeah, that's great. Of course. I didn't. No, I'll slide out. I'll slide it all the way out. Yeah.
This thing over here is called a dash pod. So when you get a carriage turn, everything comes back and it kind of slows it down so it doesn't come to a grinding stop.
That's very fun. Well, good. All right, well, I'm going to go sign in and take off. Well, I will. I'll see you across the street, too. So enjoy the rest of your day.
What we have back here is what we call a stunt box. You can put various devices in here to turn switches on and off or whatever. And also it has to do with the line feed and things like that. And these.
Oh, that's right.
You could do anything.
That's what they told me in elementary school. Look at me
Well,
now.
that's what I used to say.
Like a red shirt.
Red shirt and red hair. Everything.
Yeah. I got it figured out.
This is what you used to do, isn't it, Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fix these things.